What if you could create stunning print-on-demand wall art design in just minutes using completely free AI tools? In this video, I'll show you a trending wall art design ideas that are performing really well on Etsy right now and how you can recreate them with AI, enhance them for high quality, and make it print ready, all without managing any inventory. Before you start designing on Etsy, the common way most people do product research is by searching for a product, then going through the results one by one, hoping to find a digital product idea with good potential. The problem is, this method takes a lot of time, and you often end up creating designs that are already saturated. So how can we find better opportunities? I discovered two effective ways to do this, and I'll show you both. Starting with the simpler one. The first method involves filtering your Etsy search by bestseller, but Etsy doesn't have a direct bestseller filter. So here's a quick trick. After selecting star seller, go to the page URL and replace the word star with best. This reveals listings that are performing well, which you can use as inspiration for your own designs. To confirm if these designs are still active, check their reviews to see if there are any recent reviews. That's a good indicator of current demand. However, this process can be slow because you have to repeat this step with every product you search for. That's where the second method comes in, using the Alura extension. Once you install Alura in your browser, you'll see an icon appear when searching for a keyword on Etsy. It displays total and monthly sales for each product and lets you sort them by most sales or date created. This makes it easier to spot new listings that are gaining traction quickly. For example, I found a design called Retro Frog on Toilet Print. It was created in March and has already generated strong results, which suggests growing demand for this niche. Designs like this show that customers appreciate creativity, and often they'll want different styles or variations. And offering your designs as both digital and physical products can help you reach more customers while increasing your overall profit potential. That's where Gelato, a print-on-demand platform, comes in. It allows you to turn your digital designs into wall art, posters, and other print products without keeping inventory or managing shipping. It integrates easily with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, and TikTok Shop. Once your store is connected, your products sync automatically, making setup fast and easy. Gelato also has a global production network, over 140 partners across 32 countries, meaning your products are made closer to your buyers. This results in faster delivery times, lower shipping costs, and a smaller carbon footprint. Many sellers use Gelato because it's convenient and helps them maintain quality while scaling their stores efficiently. It even includes a personalization studio that lets you offer custom products such as wall art, apparel, and mugs. Customers can add names or photos, and Gelato automatically prepares the design for production. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand, Gelato provides tools to help you build a sustainable print-on-demand brand. You can try it for free. There's a link in the description if you'd like to explore it further. To make your design stand out, consider offering multiple art styles. This adds variety and attracts a wider audience. So to create this design with AI, I'll use Magic Media in Canva. I'll create a new project in Canva, choose a custom size, then select 2x3 portrait size. After this, I will go over to Magic Media and enter my prompt in this format. A sketch of a frog character sitting on a toilet while reading newspaper, the frog's big eyes and dangling feet, in a clean white background. After that, I switch the aspect ratio to portrait and click generate. And these are the 4 results I got from Canva. And the best part is, you can click the 3 dots on any design you like to generate more similar versions. Once you're satisfied, simply scale your design to fit the frame and export it as a PNG or JPEG. But here's the thing, while this design is selling well, many others have already replicated the design, making it difficult to stand out. So the solution is to add variation to your design. For example, a whimsical drawing of a frog wearing a bathrobe and sipping coffee while sitting on a toilet, looking relaxed and thoughtful, with soft sketch lines and minimal background. Or a playful sketch of a frog holding a smartphone and scrolling while sitting on a toilet, with expressive eyes and dangling feet, all on a simple white background, for a modern comedic touch. This method will make your design stand out, since nobody is selling the same concept as yours. But this wasn't all the prompt I crafted. I have a list of ready-to-use prompts for wall art. You'll find it in the description. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this tutorial possible. Once your design is ready, you can enhance its resolution using Let's Enhance before uploading it to Gelato. After this, connect your Etsy store to Gelato. Next, choose Add Product, select Poster on the wall art, and pick Fine Art Poster. Upload your design. Choose your preferred sizes and preview your mockups. Gelato provides built-in mockups, but you can also generate new ones using its AI mockup tool for a more polished look. Gelato's AI also helps optimize your title, description, and tags using AI insights from top listings, giving your products a better chance of ranking well. Once everything is ready, set your pricing, review your product, and publish it to Etsy. And just like that, you have a physical product to sell online. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.